Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the one-day chart. We're sitting here at $2.55. It was another green day for XRP. But on this candle right here, I thought we were witnessing a sell the news event. And I'm going to talk more about that in this video. But I want you to take notice to the XRP chart and the Bitcoin chart. The XRP chart looks a lot better than the Bitcoin chart right now. And this has been going on for a couple of days. I noticed XRP has more green days than Bitcoin does. And people are starting to talk about it now. XRP's price movement decouples from Bitcoin amid growth. Like I said, more green days for XRP than there has been for Bitcoin. I do believe Bitcoin has one more massive push up in it before it comes crashing down. Alt season is absolutely coming. I keep seeing people saying, alt season is canceled this year. You know who's saying that? Bitcoin maxis and Bitcoin bag holders. Because they know once alt season begins, it's over for Bitcoin for another 4 years. Alt season is gonna happen. Ignore the FUD is what I'm saying. Donald Trump Jr. just followed Ripple X account. Something significant is unfolding behind the scenes for XRP. This administration knows that the digital age is here. The US is going to push into the digital age. We are going to have a digital currency. Is it going to be a gold-backed digital currency? I'm thinking that's the direction we're leaning in now. And Trump met with Ripple back when he was the president in 2016, 17, 18, and so on. And he met with them again over the summer, met with them again a couple of weeks ago. They have something very big planned for XRP in the United States. We are soon going to find out what that is. This comes from Alicia. Sold out in just a few hours. Or XRP Ledger real world asset pool offering real estate backed yield 2.5% APR and RLUSD 5% APR deposit options. Launched today at 3 p.m. and is already sold out in just a few hours. You know what's significant about this? You have people that take notice to this. There's going to be real world asset pools around so many different things in the very near future. Tokenization is going to pick up momentum this year. There's so much demand for tokenization. And I think Wall Street, they're also ready to get involved with crypto. They don't want to be kept out any longer. The US needs to get regulations put in place now. They cannot delay it any longer. Ripple's new partnership in Portugal sparks surge in adoption as Pluto chain gains attention of whales. This comes from Victor X. So Ripple's new partnership with Portugal's Unicambio is sparking XRP adoption, enabling instant international payments and boosting its utility. This move strengthens Ripple's foothold in Europe, fueling optimism for XRP's growth. That's what you want to see when they're talking about on-demand liquidity, talking about utilizing XRP. And businesses there now see XRP as a reliable tool for international transactions, boosting adoption among corporate clients. Portugal's thriving crypto ecosystem amplifies this impact, drawing attention from European markets eager for innovation. That's what you want to see happening. You know, it's great when you get these big announcements, but it's just an announcement. It's just news. That's why you don't see price appreciation instantly when big news drops. Later, you start to see price movement happen, and you're wondering what's moving the price of XRP. A lot of times, it's projects like this. This comes from Eleanor Tourette. The SEC Gov has acknowledged the XRP 19B-4 filings. And that was what I was talking about earlier. You seen the price of XRP rise off of this news. Then it started to dip. And I thought, great, it's a sell the news event. But XRP is still holding up very well right now. People are still expecting an ETF to get passed tomorrow. But here's the facts. Eleanor Tourette once again says, so for everyone asking what this means, the SEC has acknowledged Grayscale New York Stock Exchange's 19B-4 application to convert its XRP trust into an ETF. No, it doesn't mean automatic approval, and it doesn't even guarantee the SEC will approve it down the line. So why is this notable? Because it means the SEC is being more open-minded and not flat out refusing to consider these products. Recall, exchanges pulled the sole 19B-4 applications in December when the Gensler SEC signaled it would not engage with them. Now they're open to the idea. To be sure, there's still a whole process to go through with all of these new crypto ETF filings, Litecoin, Doge, Sol, XRP, etc. But this is a good first step, as it means there's at least a chance these products could launch in the future. Next up, the SEC should acknowledge the XRP ETF applications from issuers that filed later than Grayscale, including Bitwise, 21 shares, Canary Funds, Wisdom Tree Funds. The 240-day window for Grayscale's approval starts when it gets posted to the Federal Register, which should be in a couple of days from now. Now, I said that just because they have a 240-day window doesn't mean this can't get approved sooner. Like I said, Wall Street is eager to get into crypto. So maybe this passes in the next couple of weeks. Let's hope it happens sooner than later. Brad Garlinghouse said, I recall pointing out more than once that this was inevitable, despite some vocal assertions to the contrary. And I said, is everyone correct in thinking an XRP ETF can go live even if the Rippleverse SEC case is not over, because the case no longer pertains to XRP, because XRP has legal clarity and is not a security? I think the Rippleverse SEC case can continue on even if an XRP ETF gets approved in the United States. But I also would love to see the Rippleverse SEC case come to an end as well. Big breaking. Will SEC drop previous administration cases? Take a listen to Hester Pierce.
Let's talk first about what's already in standing. There have been a lot of enforcement actions really brought forward by the previous Gensler administration. Are any of those cases going to now be dropped?
Well, Sonali, it's great to be here, and you point out that the enforcement cases that we were left with do complicate the situation. We have been using enforcement cases to set regulatory policy. We're trying to shift that so we actually set policy and then we bring enforcement cases as needed. But we will have to untangle the cases that are there, and that will require some work. But also, it's facts and circumstances. We have to look at each case on its merits as we go forward.
So it looks like this could possibly drag out a little longer, the Rippleverse SEC case. But I'm still thinking it's going to come to an end sooner than we think. I think it's going to happen when we all least expect it. I'm just waiting for Atkins to get to the SEC. Former SEC official William Hinman attempting to infiltrate Trump crypto board. This is who was trying to get a seat at the table. It was Hinman. And this guy is an absolute travesty and should never even be anywhere near crypto going forward. The digital asset industry plays a crucial role in innovation and economic development in the United States, as well as our nation's international leadership. It is therefore the policy of my administration to support the reasonable growth and use of digital assets, blockchain technology, and related technologies across all sectors of the economy. The executive order signed by President Donald Trump reads, President Trump's pledge to support crypto has attracted a slew of nefarious characters looking to get a seat at the table, and it relates to cryptocurrency regulation. William Hinman, the former director of the SEC Division of Corporate Finance, is one of those individuals. He should not get a seat at that table. That guy is so corrupt. And he is also part of ETHgate as well. He should be investigated, not getting a seat at the table. Ethereum staking sees notable pullback as market shifts towards new opportunities. You know, even though Ethereum is trying to get things going, it seems like people are just abandoning Ethereum. They're looking beyond Ethereum. They're looking beyond Bitcoin now as well. And I think the reason that is happening is because the hype is ending. You know, everything used to run on hype in crypto, but now a shift is happening away from hype and towards utility. And I think that's going to continue on. I don't think that's going to go away anytime soon, because now utility is the future and people are starting to realize that. And is XRP going to lead us into alt season instead of Ethereum? That could very well happen. You know, there's a lot of big things that are about to happen around XRP. And if they start happening one after another, the smart money is coming out of Ethereum. The smart money is also going to come out of Bitcoin. And it's going to flow into something that has actual value. The only people left in Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be bag holders that believed all the bullshit, that it's up only. Ethereum is going to have a major surge and it's going to $20,000. That's the hype that you used to see around Ethereum. This time around, you're not really seeing that. The only hype I really see going on is around Bitcoin and how they're trying to make it a Bitcoin-only strategic reserve. That's never going to happen in the United States. If anything, the US will hold Bitcoin, but it's also going to hold other cryptocurrencies as well, like XRP. That solves a real world problem. That strengthens the US dollar. That benefits every single American, because a strong dollar benefits everyone in the United States. I don't see how Bitcoin benefits every single person in the US. It only benefits bag holding politicians and bag holders in retail as well. But you know, the future is here. Trump is pushing us into the digital age. We are going to see a surge in innovation in the US over the coming months, and it's going to benefit utility-driven cryptocurrencies. But until it happens, you got to stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.